My name is Michael Velez. I'm from the Harrisburg, Pennsylvania area. As a little child, I grew up tent camping, and then camping from tents to pop-up tents, pop-up campers, and then to travel trailers. When I got married, we started to really get out and start tent camping. Went from a pup tent to a pop-up camper to a travel trailer to another travel trailer, and then finally got into our first fifth wheel. One of the reasons why I decided to come to the NRVTA was because we had been looking at going on the road full time. We decided to get more into the fifth wheel world, and I wanted to make sure that I wasn't going to damage anything with the fifth wheel. By coming to the NRVTA, I've learned a lot about the systems that will allow me to help maintain my water systems, electrical system, and with the hands-on training that I got here, I was able to actually touch some of the components part of the electrical systems, which I was actually afraid to touch. One of the things I wanted to make sure is that I could actually go and help other people as I was on the road. So for RV owners, if you're interested in maintaining your own RV, I highly recommend the NRVTA's Fundamentals class for owners. We'll give you a lot of insight in how to take care of your own rigs.